Halulod versus kay Quit Uno.
May tissue ba dyan?
Meron. Batang ang
Constante. Ibang may ribas.
Parang mas may
Pass to
dapat kanina eh.
Espinelli. Gives it to Lago. Espinelli.
ganda ng sapatos
Lago.
no.
Kick-out pass. Olave bars.
Hindi, yung kay Raymart maganda.
No good. Rebound by Olivia.
Kasan ba si
Here comes
Bonjoy?
Oliva. Pass to Beranil at the corner.
Ay, sorry.
Repeat the shoot. Marigi. The look pass. Steal by Baragsagan. And another steal for Oliva.
Ba't kay Owen parang medyo malabaw?
Beranil breaks three.
Parang magaling ang kay Quit.
Espinel with the ball.
Charot, wala pa nga.
Gives it to Olave. Pass to Rivas. Rivas loses the ball. Espinelli bars. At the tip of the ring. Oliva.
May hatsus.
Pass to Beranil. Bates. 100 shot. Too strong. Button for rebound. Who will have it? Managsagan has it. Gives it to Espinelli. Espinelli gives it to Lago.
Wala ba nakakashoot no?
Lago to Rivas. Steps back. Olave takes three. Good. But there comes. This is the ball. Beranil is still by Olave.
Di makashoot.
Olave pass to Rivas. Rivas hands.
Makashoot.
Oo.
Anak ni Chris ka.
Because this is first round.
Kapares na yun nasa kay Tapos, ano? Tagabuna. Tagabuna na nasa kay Tapos.
Rebound by Constante. Gets it to Barigi.
Alin?
Tag siya ng taga-buna pero sa akin
Beranil pass to
Oo,
Barigi.
Tagabuna. Bago kay Tapos
16
na
on the shot clock. Constante loses the basketball. Olave. Miscommunication. Barigi receives the ball.
Wala pa nakakashoot.
Aspiras.
Hindi nga.
Managsagan secures the ball. Gives it to Espinelli. Raymar pass to Olave. Gives it to Lago.
Nagpatay ata
Lago
sila ng
gives it to
putang ilaw.
Espinelli. Take a shot. 2-2.
hindi napapao siya. No?
Oo, kanina
Oliva.
pa nagko-commentator eh.
Pass to Barigi. Gives it to Constante. Up the glass. 1-2.
Tutu.
Mas patos ni Bono yun. Pakimuntay mo.
Okay na ng score.
Shiny shine.
Kalay pa rin.
Haha. Maganda yung kay ano. Kulay violet.
Kapos.
2 points. Watermelon.
4-2.
Aspiras. Rebound by Managsagan. Espinelli has it. Espinelli with the ball. Gives it to Olave. No good. Another rebound for Oliva. Oliva. Gives Espinelli using the screen of Managsagan. Olave with the ball. 16 on the shot clock. Romea at the corner. Olave now taking three. No good. Rebound by Barigi. Out and pass. Lago with the basketball. Gives it to Espinelli. Espinelli. Pass to Olave. Drop pass. Romea. Managsagan. Loses the ball. Aspiras. Reverse shot.
Labas yung super.
Lago with the ball. Gives it to Romea. Romea, the favorite spot. 2-2.
6-4.
Marigi gives it to Oliva. Aspiras. Pass to Mendoza. Still by Espinelli. Here comes Lago.
Lakas!
This communication. Here comes Oliva. Magic shot. Rebound by jersey number 12. Oliva, 2 for 2.
All 6. All 6, all 6.
All 6, Addis. Gives it to Lago. 10 to shoot.
Ayoko
Gives it to Panagsaga. Bumping off. No good. But there's also Mendoza. Pass to Oliva. Oliva drives. One undershot is good for Alga Oliva.
Lamang na kay Quit, dalawa.
8-6. 2-point lead of Medin Uno.
Ala, may white siya na malaki.
Using the screen of Panagsaga. One undershot. No good. 2 teammates batting for rebound. Aspiras lays it up for 2.
Ala, lamang na nga to kay Quit. Apat.
10-6.
Wala pala si ano eh.
Romeo gets it to
Sino
Lago.
ba to, Neno?
Gives it back to Romeo.
Kuya
At the
Arte.
baseline. Stop. Steal by Barigi. 3 against 1. Oliva gives it back to Barigi. Up in the air. Last pass
Anim
is
na,
good. 2 for Oliva.
6 na lamang ng alulod.
Espinelli now.
Tignan mo yung, ano, yung coach ng kay Quit. Parang
Romeo
yung
gives it
coach
back
ng
to
ano.
Espinelli. 10 to shoot. Lago. Para sa lobang. And then Lago.
Parang si Brian.
Oo.
Advance time out call for the group Uno.
Oo, mag-time out na kayo.
Steal by Managsaga. Espinelli to Lago. Reverse shot. Too strong. Dati ko rebound. Oliva has it. Good tap by Lago.
Oh! Nice one!
Wow. Lago gives this bonus
Alam
throw.
mo naman
Offensive
yun.
rebound by Sarmiento. Gives it back to Sarmiento. Takes 3.
Buwalan, Jo.
Sarmiento, si Boy Tata.
Oh, yes.
Barigi, pass to Panaligan. Recovers the ball. Gives it to Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Still. Sarmiento out the pass.
Ay, lakas, sayang.
Pagod si Pep.
Barigi, pass to jersey number 1. Mendoza.
Same ball.
Pass to Barigi. 12 on the shot clock.
Stick naman ng apelyido niya.
Out of bounds. Espinelli makes his first throw.
Ano sabi mo yan?
2 for 2 for Espinelli. Espinelli loses the ball. Barigi picks it.
Bata nakakashoot.
Steal by
Wow!
Lago.
Nakailang steal na si ano.
Here comes Peranil.
Bagyan na binuhat.
Gives it to Barigi. 16 on the shot clock. Peranil makes his way in off the glass. No good. Rebound by Romeo. 2 seconds differential between the game clock and the shot clock. Romeo, pass to Espinelli. Espinelli fires a long ball. Too strong.
Makashoot si Raymond.
Out of bounds. Barigi. 10 minus 8 seconds.
Di rin nakashoot to.
Manaligan. Too strong. Aspiras. Manaligan again.
Counted yun.
Basket count. Alulot basket.
Kaya naman yun diyan eh.
Hatsus naman, hindi naman yung wala.
Ang hanga eh.
Espinelli. Basta Avila. Romea.
Hindi makashoot si Raymart. Nabubuta.
Peranil. Constante. Yung si Peranil. Rebound by Olarte.
Bago, taas.
Sorry.
Avila.
Dahil pala din ako.
Romea. 10 to shoot. Pass to Olarte. At the baseline. Wings.
Foul.
Yours.
Baba ka ng score.
Ay, bang ulam mo kaya?
Burger nga.
Meron hot sauce.
Hanggang wala ang bibigay ko.
May hot sauce nga yan lahat.
Here comes Oliva.
2,000.
Begin to start at all 14. 16 on the shot clock. Good pass. Constante. Too strong. Rebound by Sarmiento. Another turnover. Here comes Oliva. Big up pass. Oliva takes 3. Espinelli now, zigzagging. Espinelli, reverse shot is
Gigil
good.
eh.
16-14.
Ano lang naman pala, lamang dadalawa.
Oliva. Looking for an open man. Gives it to Mendoza. Takes 3. Air ball. Rebound by Sarmiento. Pass to Olarte. Another steal for
Galing nun
Oliva.
ah.
Lays it out for 2 for Oliva.
Galing pumasay.
Espinelli.
Score 18-16.
8 seconds to shoot.
Nakashoot kanina si Raymart. Di ko na-videohan. Malabo kasi.
Number 1 takes 3. Gomez. Pass to Espinelli.
Meron naman ang puti.
Left-handed layup.
Oh! Kinikigil nyo eh!
Lays it up. Rebound by Sarmiento. Here comes Rivas.
May white pa
Post to
lang.
post. Sasha Puro. Good tap. Recovered by Espinelli. 14 to shoot. Olarte. Short. Rebound by Oliva.
Match lang sila.
Wala yan sa ano naman na sa...
Deep pass. Espinelli.
Kanina wala eh.
2-2.
Wala siya dito eh. Gawa nga nung ilaw doon. Wala na.
16 on the shot clock. At the corner, Jimena. Espinelli, 10 to shoot. Espinelli.
Oh!
Espinelli.
Galing talaga yan.
Broad pa rin
Advanced
ako.
substitution. Barici.
Ayaw kasi napashutin kanina.
Yes, to do. Number 1 of the glass. Rebound by Espinelli. To Jimena. Espinelli with the ball. 14 on the shot clock.
3!
Olarte pass. No good. Lago. Long 2.
Nice!
Long 2 for Lago.
Hey!
26-16.
Takbo na pala.
The lead is up by 10.
Damang lang 10 ang ano
Barigi. Galak pass.
No look pass ka pa, ha?
Always dito kay Quit. Aspiras takes two. Answers back from Aspiras.
18-26.
Pass to Lago, gives it back to Ron. Lago takes three.
Bang, Talaga ni Bonoy.
Barigi gives it to Aspiras. It's out, Constante, no good. Another offensive rebound. Peranil is there for three. No good, batting for rebound. Espinelli. Sarmiento. Jimena. Pass to Sarmiento.
Yun lang.
Call for the lead. Two points for Aspiras. 29-18.
Kaya pala yung gusto.
14 on the shot clock. 12. Lago Page. The running shot. It's
Nice!
good. 28 seconds left. Oliva has the ball. Pass to Aspiras. Page. Lays it out. In and out. Aspiras. Being behind by Barigi. Easy 2 points for jersey number 23.
Tignan mo na apelyido, Barigi.
Adis gives it to Jimena. Adis pass to Banagsaga. A troubling violation. Oliva. Pass to Veranillo, takes three. No good, batting for rebound. Adis, yes. Lago. Adis drives at the middle, single shot, no good. Banagsaga is there. And Santos secures the ball, gives it to Barigi. Malong pass to Veranillo. Off the glass for two, for Veranillo. 31-24, the lead is down by 7.
31-24, 7 lamang ng Alulod.
Gives it to Lago. Almost a steal. Jimena. Adi stage 3. Short. Oliva has it. Oliva. He got pass. Veranil. Is strong. Anticipated.
Taga-Kalumpang Center.
Kasabay ko yun kanina sa jeep. Kasabay namin na
Anis.
isa. 24 pa lang pala yun.
Alin?
Pass to Spinelli.
Yung malaking katawan?
Oo, yung bungi.
Paano mo nalaman?
Spinelli.
Kasabay
Pass
nga
to
namin,
Adis.
nag-uusap sila.
Bumping up. Separation. One on the shot. Banagsaga. Too strong. Spinelli.
Bata pa yun, sa kapsa nag-aaral yun eh.
This is the shot.
Ganon dapat kalaki katawan.
In and out for 4 seconds left.
Solo pa rin.
Another rebound for Espinelli. Makes it in this time.
Binawi agad yung sala niya.
Second na.
Ay, second na ba? Sabi ko kasi tatlo na agad yung foul nun eh.
Substitution. Iba gets it. Here comes Mendoza. Taking the pass. Mendoza taking three. Short. Rebound by Rivas. Rivas pass to Lago. Aspiras with the steal. Espinelli. In and out. Gives it for Adis. Kick out pass. Lago again. Or here comes Veranil. There's a foul.
Tatatlo ang pangsat.
In and out for Veranil. This is a goal, but there is Panalina leading away. Rebound by Lago. Lago gives it to Espinel. Calling for a screen. Good screen by Managsaga. Hesitation move. Kick out pass. Lago at the perimeter. 2 for 2. 36-24. The biggest lead of Manila Lula for this ball game. 12-point lead.
Lamang daw ng 12
Here
ng
comes Aaron. Oliva now. Peranil. No good. Rebound by Adis. Pass to Espinelli. Espinelli. Now pass to Lago. Espinelli. Basket catch.
Copy po yun.
Espinelli makes his. Oliva gives it to Aspiras. Peranil takes, leaves it to Panaligan. Blocked by Managsaga.
Buta!
Here comes Adis. Big boy with the ball. Lays it up. All the way to the hole for Adis. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. Crossover move. One other shot. No good. 5 seconds.
Bang, bang.
Lago.
Ah! Nice one! Nakashoot agad.
Picturean ko kasi yan kaya ayaw ko. Hindi yung pipicturean. Tapos
Eddie, ano mo ang kamukha mo?
pupos mo yan. Ilang shoot yan?
Tatlo.
Isa, tatlong shoot. Tatlong shoot yan.
Missing the second shot. Bang!
Ikaw na tayo sasunod. Kaso wala na yan. Taga kay quit, baka nakasakay na yun.
Hindi babalik yan kahit yun na sumakay.
Basket is good.
Tingnan mo, baka tinatawagan. Bente lamang ng alulod.
There's a traveling violation. Olave, Espinelli beats. Pull-up jumper for Raymond Espinelli. Here comes Oliva.
Pinang-trip din naman niya siguro yan.
Pass to jersey number 1. Gives it to Oliva at the baseline. Lays it out for 2.
Every other week.
Romea, pass to Espinelli. Gives it to Olave. 8 seconds to shoot. Lago takes 3. Lebong. Lebong, 1 and 3. Marigi makes his first throw. Marigi makes it. Oliva gives it to Aspiras. Oliva again fakes. Loses the ball. 14 to shoot. Aspiras, 2 for 2. Olave gives it to Espinelli. Espinelli to Olave, takes 3. Jasper Olave, 2. Oliva now. 18 on the shot clock. Gives it to jersey number 1.
Binigay na.
Panaligan. Loses the ball. Recovers it. Marigi. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound by Espinelli. Good pass by Panagsaga. Unselfish possible right there for Tia. Easy 2 points for Rivas. Advanced substitution. Panalingan to Barigi. Perimeter shot, no good. Rebound again by Rivas. Espinelli with the ball. Ten to shoot. Olave fires. Jersey number 1 again. Pass to jersey number 30, Oliva. Ali clean. 81-32, 7 minutes and 10 seconds.
51-32.
Espinelli at the baseline.
Sayang,
good.
di shoot.
Espinelli again. Off the glass.
Shoot pa rin eh.
Oliva. 16 on the shot clock. Number 1, pass to Baliki. 2 for 2. 53-34.
53-34. Lamang ang alulod.
Espinelli, fix ito pa ng saga ng Camino. Olave. Too strong.
Ngik, di
Aspiras.
magka-shoot.
Throws off the ball.
Kailangan, sayang.
Using the layup.
Anong oras na ba? 10.
Rivas.
Aray.
There's a whistle, a ball from Toradino, pass to Oliva. At Camino, Aspiras, bumping up. No good.
Parang
Panagsaga, lays it out for 2.
would you get
Oliva, hands in the air, lays it out
Sayang,
for good.
di
Rivas
shoot.
Rivas. Gives it to Panagsaga.
ganda eh.
55-34. Barigi, kick out pass, number 24.
Hindi naka-play.
No good. Rebound by Aspiras. Kicks. Rebound by Espinelli. Espinelli with the ball. Pass to Lago. Espinelli beats. Olave now, taking 3. Lago. 12 seconds to shoot. Espinelli. Good pass. Romea is there. 2 for 2 for Dergo Romea. 87-34. Aspiras. Bates. Missing again. Pass to Olave. 4 minutes and 12 seconds. Olave. Short. Rebound by Barigi. Almost a steal, but here. Arjan Oliva.
Magaling sa kanila eh. Yun.
Lays it up for 2 for Oliva. Espinelli. Espinelli. Pull up jumper again. Basket and 1 for Raymond Espinelli. Espinelli makes his first throw. Barigi, pass to Aspiras. Right-handed layup. 2 shots for Aspiras. Aspiras makes 2 for 2 for Aspiras. Espinal with the ball.
60-38.
Gives it to Lago.
Grabe naman.
12 on the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Espinelli to Lago. Gives it to Romea. 5 to shoot.
Tira na.
Lago, long two. Good. Offensive rebound for us. Good ball.
Halos ito lang gumagawa sa kanila eh.
Oliva makes it again for Arjan Oliva. 60-40, 20-point lead, Barangay Alulog. Advance
20 yan
substitution.
lamang ng alulog.
12 seconds to shoot. Espinelli again, pull up jumper is good for Raymond Espinelli.
Si Maxi nga, 2 years old na, di pa nang cellphone.
Substitution.
Ang mga superstar.
Oliva goes to Mendoza. Number 1, Barigi. Great ball movement. Easy 2 points for Peranilo. Espinelli gives it to Avila.
Agla.
Avila. Espinelli at the baseline. No good. Sees Avila. Avila, 2.
Ay,
Here comes Oliva.
ang gumagawa lahat.
Espinelli gives it to Jimena.
Pagod na siya.
Jimena takes 3. From Jimena, 2. Barigi. Mendoza. 1 minute and 12 seconds. Espinelli. Jimena again. No good. Here comes Oliva. Pass to Mendoza. All board.
Bayan.
Seconds. Pass to Avila. Here comes Jimena. The pass
Lakas.
is to
50 seconds na
Oliva.
lang for third quarter.
Mendoza
3.
leads. Good.
Nice pass.
Espinelli. Missing the shot.
Malamang, yun ang nanasa.
Espinelli again. No good. Here comes Sarmiento. Loses the ball. Peranil Nasser. Pass to Oliva. Oliva now.
Nakamaganda pa ang laro ng
Rebound by Romea.
Una, tsaka na
Gives it to
kay
Jimena.
Unmatched kasi sila. Traveling.
Dribbling. Here comes Barigi. Pass to Peranil. Fake. The quick step. Is the points.
Gusto mo.
Avila. Rebound by Romea. 2 for 2 for Romea. Start of our last and final quarter.
Fourth quarter na. Nasiuwi ng mga tao at tambak.
Gives it to Atis. Lago. 100 shot is good for Rodel Lago.
paglaro na lang mga
Arjan Oliva.
Dumadami na po ang gamot-gamot.
Kakaunti pa nga yan. Kanina karami-rami.
Atis with the ball. Rivas. Gives it to Banagsaga. Pass to Lago. Lays it out for 2 for Lago. 74-48.
74-48.
Nolan pass. Peranil takes 3. No good. Last touch on the Largo. Oliva. One under Jack. Largo pass to Atis. Oliva has it. Mendoza, 2 for 2 for Aaron Mendoza. 74-50, 24-point lead of Malulod. 16 on the shot clock. Pass to Rivas. Gives it to Panagsagan. Fakes. Airball. Rebound by Aspiras. Gives it to Barigi. 74-50.
74-50.
Peranil takes 3.
24.
Music again. There's a reaching foul call on Jersey.
Uy!
Aspiras gives it to Mendoza. Mendoza takes 3. In and out. Barigi. Mendoza takes 3. Airball. Aspiras is there. 74-52. Rivas gives it all up. 16 on the shot clock. Hands it up to Lago. Zigzagging. Lays it out for 2 for Rodel Lago. Barigi. Hesitation move. Good pass. Aspiras with a lay-in. 2 for 2. 76-54. Steal by Oliva. Lays it out. 76-56. Addis. Waits. Addis again.
Hindi ka mo nakapost.
76-56. Seconds.
Babat na ako eh.
Lago. Then shoot. Rivas with a long 2. Pass to Aaron. Aaron up the glass for 2.
Tagal naman.
Lago gives it to Panagsaga. Pass to Rivas. All alone.
Laro mo, laro ka lang.
Rebound by Rivas.
Para naka.
Lago with the separation. Rivas in the trouble in violation. Oliva taking 3. Loss of shot. 78-58. The half step up the glass, no good. Rebound again by Sarmiento. Here comes Raymond Espinal. Pass to Sarmiento. Romeo with a lay-in. Aaron Mendoza, 3. Sarmiento loses the ball. 30 seconds. Aaron Mendoza. Off the glass again for Aaron Mendoza. 7 straight points coming from Aaron Mendoza. 80-63. Espinel with the ball. 12 on shot clock. Sarmiento, rebound.
Bae rin.
Mendoza again, 2 for 2, 9 straight points, all coming from Aaron Mendoza. So got the lead down by 15 points.
15 na lang ang lamang ng
Rodea
andon.
gets it to Espinelli. Abelia. Fade away shot. No good. Tahiti has it.
Ayan nyo na humabol. 3 minutes 34 seconds.
Loses the ball. Sarmiento. No good. Rebound by Bariki. Gives it good. Steal by Romea. Here comes Romea. No good. Sarmiento. Lose a foul. 13 foul. Number 91 makes his first throw.
Sayang miss yun. Ayun oh.
Oo, meron may...
Rebound Aspiras. Exactly 3 minutes.
Dalawa lang.
Aaron takes 3. Aaron Mendoza, 2. Still by Aspiras. Lays it in.
Time remaining 2 minutes 50 seconds. Tapos ang score 81-70. 11 na lang lamang ng alulod.
Espinelli, 16 on the shot clock.
Natalo pa alulod.
Espinelli, dancing with Bariki. 8 defense by Bariki. 5 to shoot. Romea delivers. Romea up the glass, no good. Will get the rebound. Romea again, 2 for 2.
13.
Here comes Oliva. Mendoza. Step back 3.
Hindi na nakashoot.
Rebound by Aspiras. Down ball goal, Juice.
Kaway ka naman.
Tira ulit yan.
Mendoza at the corner.
Hindi na nakashoot.
$83-70. Last 2 minutes. Oliva fires. No good. Rebound by Romea.
Wala na iyan.
1 minute and 45 seconds left. Romea against Ferranillo. Muscle swing. No good. Ferranillo is there. Last touch on Espinelli. Oliva takes one-hander shot is good for Arjan Oliva.
Hindi, 11 pa
Espinelli
rin.
with the ball.
Nakashoot kanina eh.
Bumping up, creating some space.
Foul.
An offensive foul. Oliva loses the ball. Ferranillo takes 3. No good. Rebound by Sarmiento. Out of bounds. Rebound missing the shot. Rebound by Espinelli. Second.
1 minute 1 second. Ewan ko ng score. Basta
Yes,
lamang
madami.
alulod mga 11.
James Oliva.
Kasi sinasabi score.
16 on the shot clock.
Hehehe.
There's a foul. Abella makes his first one. Misses second. Batting for rebound. Rebound by Ferranillo. Oliva taking 3. Arjan Oliva 2. Lago. There's a
Ayan.
75-84.
Binipitan. Wala nang mga kalaban.
Lago misses
Hey,
first
wow.
throw. Lago misses the throw. Rebound by Bariki. Here comes Oliva. 39 seconds left. Oliva takes 3. No good. Peranillo. Rebound by Espinel. 30 seconds.
Oo, tapusin nyo na yan. Oy, tapusin nyo na. 5% na lang.
Espinel has the shots left.
84, 79. 29 seconds na lang naman.
In and out again. Rebound
Go,
by
guys.
61. Here comes
Tapusin nyo
Oliva.
na.
Oliva in and out.
Please, please.
Reverse shot is good for Arjan. 23 seconds. Penalty.
77-84. Oh, 85-77. 15 seconds na lang.
Here on the sixth the ball. Takes 3.
Yun lang, sala pa rin.
Number 1. Arjan is third. 9.5 seconds.
9.5.
86-77.
Pinasa sa kalaban para sumot. Oy, oy, oy! Score ay 79-86. Panalo ang Alulod.